subscribe with notifications on.
I say it's allowed for a man to have more than two wives, to have more than 2 women. Is it allowed? A man to have more,
Yeah, more than.
Is it allowed?
Even 7 is fine.
How are you?
Where are you coming from?
Supposed to Braga. So tamputro wena o dimela hore rona se tsere tsere tempo rona.
Yeah, I was like, more than 3.
Ah!
Now I can marry 3.
So you don't respect your marriage? Are you married? I feel sorry for your wife. You're supposed to respect your marriage. To say you cannot make it like with 2 wives.
You can go even
You're
to the Bible.
supposed to.
In Bible. Are even in the Bible.
Even in the Bible, there's no such thing as 2 wives. There is no such thing.
Eh.
Testament ya thing eo. Ya khan, a ke bolela ka testament ya khan. A ke bolela ka testament ya khan.
Oh, wena wa taeng.
Una ntho eo. Wena pila you don't respect your marriage, you cheating.
I respect it.
Your wife don't even know about this.
She know.
If you're watching, just know that
I'm a cause.
I'm even more disappointed.
Hi.
I'm a cause.
Umkhosa na ephe.
Ngoku intona yala nto ukuthi
Ungomni papa.
uye nginqola mthumela abaphethe so oye myem
When? I am unbelievable because our Xhosa people, they don't do such thing. I don't know where you come from.
Why? No, they do.
Kela noma mngwevu la. Changisa Skhombe, Zulu, Mhlatyana, Khayela Bantsu. But wena ngiyazi ukuthi umXhosa onjani wena.
Hey, Mami, how are you, my friend? This man is saying, as a man, you're allowed to have more than 2 wives. Yeah, I'm telling him. He's saying so.
No, man, he's crazy.
Exactly. I told him same thing. How can he say that?
So I'm not done. So Buti, if you say wena, having 2 wives is a normal thing for you, how do you satisfy your wife?
It's not about my life, it's about me.
Okay, but how do you
life.
satisfy your
If
wife?
I want to date 7 people, I will date 7 people. Because it's my
Okay,
life.
fine.
I do whatever I want.
Okay, I hear you, ne? But tell me
If you
something.
you don't keep up with what I want.
Okay.
Leave me alone.
Okay, tell me something.
Okay, 7 1.
Okay.
If I want 7
Okay, I'm cool with that. I guess that's what you want and you believe in that.
Yeah.
Okay, now
If
tell
you
me
and I can't
something.
keep up with them.
How do you satisfy all 7 wives?
Yeah, exactly.
I will satisfy.
How?
How?
Okay. For me, satisfaction is deep. I would say satisfaction is kanjani.
Aibo.
I'm fed. Umjondolo fed. Umjondolo uyakhathala brami. Hey brami. Umjondolo uyakhathala brami. Am I lying? Uyakhathala umjondolo brami. Uyakhathala ngithi. So if you've got 7 wives, how are you going to satisfy them?
Amen.
Arimbe.
Oh, darling. Go closer, please.
Ngizothenga imbiza.
Oh, this gonna buy.
You
Okay.
know why he's saying that? Because he knows it's impossible to satisfy 7 wives as 1 man.
Yeah. So can you see, my man, why our South African women are leaving us as South African guys? They are going to date these African guys, foreign African guys. Can you see why?
For me, I never
Hmm.
I like being wonke umuntu amele izinto ayifuna.
Yeah, vele ne.
Ubani uthini ini.
Wonke umuntu fanele okay. Let's hold it there. Wonke umuntu fanele ukuthi enze into ayenzayo ne. Wena you
Uskawa bra na me.
7 wives ne. And then your wife is not satisfied. She
Thank
does
you.
not get enough sweets in the bedroom. So what must she do?
Akaye komunye umuntu usemsatisfy.
And when you agree your wife that you married to go sleep with someone else because you cannot satisfy her.
It is what it is.
I'm
done. You guys,
baby.
he's a bad man. No, we have time.
My man, how are you? Unjani mfethu? Wena uthi izolo umuntu uthini? Uthi it's allowed for a man to have more than 7 wives?
Yes, it's around.
Oi!
How do you satisfy them all?
I'll tell him my mind. I tell him it's my mind.
That shows that you
Ay,
want to
madoda.
satisfy for 7 wives.
What are you going to do?
I'm not talking about
Ah!
you. On those things. You don't have strength for 7 women. What do you want from them?
Exactly.
You do why you buy medication.
Hmm.
If you do
make
have
me
that,
strong.
Ay! Hey, Brahmi! Induku! Yakatala, Brahmi! There's no way!
strength.
Induku fethi yakatala! Braga malai! Induku fethi yakatala, Brahmi! Yakatala, there's no way, bro!
So
Eh?
7.
It is impossible! Induku fethi yakatala, you can't tell me what you will satisfy all 7 women! It's impossible! That's why that's why our South African ladies are leaving. Our South African guys are going to these foreigners because they don't believe in this thing. What you must marry 7 women. They don't. Do you know we have that same, but it's gonna stay and so forth. Why? Let me ask my brothers. Maybe they will tell me. Let me ask. Hey, baby, wait. Let me ask my brothers. How are you guys? How are you? I was interviewing those guys. Ne? We are asking why is our South African ladies now moving away from South African guys are now dating foreigners. They are saying as a South African you are allowed to have more than 7 wives. 7 wives. Is that true? You can't satisfy all 7 wives.
Do you think it's okay to have more than 1 wife?
Yeah.
Okay.
You say yeah.
Do you think it's okay to have more than 1 wife?
No.
It's not okay, right? It's not okay.
Is it okay for you? It's not okay. Why do you think it's not okay?
Just for only one person.
1 person, why? Why?
Exactly.
It's
Supposed
a
to.
good thing, it's a good thing. I'm on your side, but why?
I don't know, but that's
But do you think someone now who's got 2 wives will be able to cope?
no.
Why?
I don't like that.
Okay, but anyway, are you married?
No.
You are still young.
Yeah.
Okay, good. You've got a very good mindset.
Exactly.
Never
Keep it up.
marry 2.
Keep it up.
That's enough.
Yeah.
Keep it up, my brother. Keep it up, my man. Keep it up. Keep it up, my brother. Keep it up. These guys are saying you must marry 7 wives. I got a shock of my life.
Good thing for someone to have 2 wives. 2 wives, is it a good thing?
It's up to him.
Aye, but no, as a man,
You and I-
as a
when I
man,
would
what is
say
your
2
view?
or 1?
For me, only one.
Only 1 wife, right?
Okay, good.
Good.
But
Do you also
think
believe
someone-
1 wife?
Do you think someone who's got 2 is a good thing to do?
I don't think it's
Why? Why?
You can't satisfy them.
What?
You can't satisfy all women. I mean, even if there are 3, you cannot satisfy them as 1 man. That thing gets tired, bruh. It's impossible for you to satisfy all of
It's
them.
okay to have 1 wife. It's not okay to have 2 wives. It's not a good thing. So I'm glad you guys have the same mindset as me. Thank you so much. I hope
Thank
you
you.
get married.
Oh, thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much, guys. Are you guys visiting Cape Town?
Do first time. You want to check the channel? Okay, open your phone.
Where are you from?
India.
Oh, you're from India?
Oh,
Oh.
wow. Are
Wow.
you guys from India?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh.
Okay. How's Cape Town so far?
Yes, we have met you.
It's nice,
guys
eh?
from India.
And how long have you been in Cape Town now?
Yeah,
Wow.
1 month. Yeah.
1 month now. That's nice. That's nice. It's a very beautiful country, my brother. I'm telling you. Very beautiful country. You must go to places like Kent Bay, that side of, Sea Point and so forth, just to experience as well, some other people as well out there. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, guys. It was so nice meeting
Yeah, you must
I
check
hope
our.
you enjoy
You see
South
yourself.
Africa.
This first time
I
on
hope you
YouTube channel.
enjoy.
You
I know
will see
Cape
yourself.
Town is the most beautiful city. Just go around.
Okay.
All right, thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. All right, thank you so much. So, hello, mama. Thank you. All right, so now we're going. I should have the video, haven't
I don't know.
Yeah. Understand?
Today I just decided to let you be because I didn't know which topic you're gonna be talking
Yeah,
about.
so yeah, so today guys, we're going around asking people